The RBI has kept the benchmark rates unchanged at the end of the three-day Monetary Policy Committee. The meeting that started on Wednesday, the central bank has kept the repo rate unchanged at 4% and the reverse repo rate unchanged at 3.35%. RBI has cut the growth forecast for financial year 22 to 9.5% from 10.5%.
The MPC voted unanimously to maintain status quo, that is keeping the policy repo rate unchanged at 4%. CPI inflation is projected at 5.1% during 2021-22. Real GDP growth is now projected at 9.5% in 2021-22, consisting of 18.5% in first quarter, 7.9% in second quarter, 7.2% in the third quarter and 6.6% in the fourth quarter of 2021-22. Now turning to the outlook for inflation, the favorable base effects that brought about the moderation in headline inflation by 1.2 percentage points in April lesson from the experience of the pandemic in the Indian context has been deployment of unconventional monetary policy measures that distribute liquidity among all stakeholders. We shall continue with our proactive and preemptive approach, relying on market-based channels of transmission as we strive to mitigate the toll of the pandemic and return the economy to a path of high and durable growth. The second wave of COVID-19 is associated with unexpectedly higher rates of morbidity and mortality relative to the first wave. The breakout of mutant strains that render the virus highly transmissible across both urban and rural areas has led to fresh restrictions on activity being imposed across a large swath of the country. Yet, unlike in the first wave, when the economy came to an abrupt standstill under a nationwide lockdown, the impact on economic activity is expected to be relatively contained in the second wave, with restrictions on mobility being regionalized and nuanced. Moreover, people and businesses are adapting to pandemic working conditions. Moreover, the vaccination process is expected to gather steam in the coming months, and that should help to normalize economic activity.